Okay, good morning everybody. Mark Brzezinski from Tried It For You, and back in my backyard again. So, I got a fire. Okay, you walk up to inside your house and you've got something, maybe not something similar as to this, but you have a fire going on in your side of your home. It may not be as big as this, but it's a fire nonetheless. Okay, what do? Now, if you did what I told you to do before, and you went outside and got yourself a set of fire extinguishers, and you watched my videos, you'd be able to tell what to do. You would know what to do when you needed to take care of this. Now, what I would do is go get my fire extinguisher. I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay, so now this fire is starting to go out because I didn't really set it so very hot, but I have a fire. Now I've got my fire extinguisher. Okay, if you watched my videos before, okay, this is hanging up on the wall with this. Now, if you've been doing your monthly tests like you're supposed to be doing, you'll check to see that the needle is in the green. Okay. Okay, the seal is still intact, pin is still intact. Now you walk up to something like this, okay, all right, one thing that you don't want to be doing is keeping your back to the fire when you're fighting a fire. All right, you always want to be able to see where that fire is at. Okay, when you approach the fire, you are facing forward. Okay, never this way. Okay, not with your back to the fire. Yes, I'm doing exactly what I'm telling you not to do. But we need to get this straight. Okay, so we're always facing the fire. Okay, we're always facing the fire. We're going into it. And then we're backing out of it when we're done. So now, we're going to pull this pin. Okay, the seal broke away. You can just throw everything onto the ground. Okay, now as you're facing the fire, you're going to take a couple of quick bursts, okay, to make sure this is going to work. You don't want to go rushing into the fire just to find out that your fire extinguisher does not work. So you're going to take a quick burst. Okay, quick bursts. Now, like I said, you're going to face the fire. All right, you want to hit it at the base of the fire so that you get it where it's the hottest. So go on. See how that kind of just started up again? Now we're going to hit it some more. Now you're sweeping, so we pulled the trigger, okay, we aimed it, we squeezed, and we sweep, okay. Okay, fire's out. All right, so now This is a depleted fire extinguisher. Okay, you can see where the needle's at. It's on 0. All right. Now, you can see this is all a chemical residue. Okay, it's all chemical. All right. This is what's going to end up inside of your home. But it's better this, because you can clean this up, than your house burning down. Okay, so that's one of the things that the downside of a fire activating a fire extinguisher inside of your home. So now, one of the things that I wanted to mention as well on top of this is that you saw that the force of the jet that's coming out of here. You do not want to use something like this on a grease fire. Okay, you want to smother a grease fire. Okay, if you do not have a specific fire extinguisher for greases and oils, okay, you'll want to use like baking soda, pour it on top of it if you can get near it. But you don't want to use water, because what that does is spread everything out. You put water on the grease, the grease will still continue to burn, but the water will spread it out, and then you've got yourself a bigger problem on top of your small problem. If you can, put a lid or something on top of your pan to smother the grease fire. If not, if you don't have that really available, you've got baking soda. If not, you've got the other fire extinguisher that you can use to put out your oils and greases. Okay, they're specific for that. Okay, using this, you could inadvertently spread all that grease because of the amount of force that the chemical is discharged from the fire extinguisher. Okay, so 2 different things. We'll do a grease fire the next time, and I'll show you what I'm talking about when the grease spreads out all over the place and how it can get really bad. Okay, but we'll do it all safe, and this way you have a frame of reference for yourself. Anyways, appreciate you watching this video. If you would, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so that you get the latest and greatest of my videos, and we will see you on the outside. Take care, everybody.